Do you know rain has a smell and bacteria help to create it? That's amazing smell after rain is actually science. During dry weather, plants, soil, and certain bacteria release tiny compounds into the ground. When rain hits the dry soil, tiny air bubbles get trapped and burst. Those bubbles release microscopic particles into the air. One important compound is called geosmin, produced by soil bacteria. Geo means earth and smin means smell. So geosmin means earth smell. Humans are extremely sensitive to geosmin. Even tiny amounts can create that fresh earthy smell. That's why the smell is strongest when rain falls after a long dry period. More compounds build up in dry soil. Your brain loves the smell of rain because humans evolved around water and survival. That rain smell even has a name called petrichor. So, that relaxing smell after rain isn't magic. It's chemistry and bacteria rising into the air. That's everyday science. Follow for more science.